Mikoyan MiG-29. The Mikoyan MiG-29 is a twin-engine jet fighter aircraft designed in the Soviet Union. Developed by the Mikoyan Design Bureau as an air superiority fighter during the 1970s, the MiG-29, along with the larger Sukhoi Su-27, was developed to counter new U.S. fighters, such as the McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle, and the General Dynamics F-16 Fighting Falcon. The MiG-29 entered service with the Soviet Air Forces in 1982. While originally oriented towards combat against any enemy aircraft, many MiG-29s have been furnished as multirole fighters, capable of performing a number of different operations, and are commonly outfitted to use a range of air-to-surface armaments and precision munitions. The MiG-29 has been manufactured in several major variants, including the multirole Mikoyan MiG-29M and the navalised Mikoyan MiG-29K. The most advanced member of the family to date is the Mikoyan MiG-35. Later models frequently feature improved engines, glass cockpits with HOTAS-compatible flight controls, modern radar and infrared search and track (IRST) sensors, and considerably increased fuel capacity. Some aircraft have also been equipped for aerial refueling. India was the first international customer of the MiG-29. The Indian Air Force, IAF, placed an order for more than 66 MiG-29s in 1980, while the aircraft was still in its initial development phase. Since its induction into the IAF in 1985, the aircraft has undergone a series of modifications with the addition of new avionics, subsystems, turbofan engines, and radars. Indian MiG-29s were used extensively during the 1999 Kargil War in Kashmir by the Indian Air Force, to provide fighter escort for Mirage 2000s attacking targets with laser-guided bombs. The MiG-29's good operational record prompted India to sign a deal with Russia in 2005 to 2006 to upgrade all of its MiG-29s for $888 million. In 2007, Russia also gave India's Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, a license to manufacture 120 RD-33 Series 3 turbofan engines for the upgrade. The upgrade will also include a new weapon control system, cockpit ergonomics, air-to-air missiles, high-accuracy air-to-ground missiles and smart aerial bombs. The first 6 MiG-29s will be upgraded in Russia, while the remaining 63 MiGs will be upgraded at the HAL facility in India. India also awarded a multi-million-dollar contract to Israel Aircraft Industries to provide avionics and subsystems for the upgrade. In January 2010, India and Russia signed a $1.2 billion deal, under which the Indian Navy would acquire 29 additional MiG-29Ks, bringing the total number of MiG-29Ks on order to 45. The MiG-29K entered service with the Indian Navy on February 19, 2010. As of 2012, Indian UPG version is the most advanced MiG-29 variant. The Director General of MiG, Sergei Kurokov, said, "The most advanced is the MiG-29 UPG, implemented in India in collaboration with local industry." The first 3 aircraft were delivered in December 2012, over 2 years behind schedule. The IAF is in advanced stages of talks to buy a new squadron of upgraded multirole MiG-29s from Russia using 3-decade-old MiG-29s. An IAF MiG-29 crashed near Jalandhar in Punjab on May 8, 2020, with its pilot ejected safely after the aircraft failed to respond. A court of inquiry has been ordered in the incident. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Footprints for more videos.